A price shock as well for the iPhone 15. Willie Doo's like way ahead. He's in time machine mode. He's back to the future. iPhone 15 range leaks have revealed a number of potentially tantalizing upgrades. Who wrote this article? Is this our pal? Gordon Kelly. You see, I knew when I saw the word tantalizing, I was like...
He's the type of guy that you would use.
There's certain words, and tantalizing being one of them. Potentially tantalizing upgrades coupled with jaw-dropping price increases. But now,
Gordon.
A new report claims Apple may slash prices in a blog post. Historically reliable industry insider Yucks 1122. I haven't heard of this reliable industry insider before, but
sure.
I'm fairly certain that Gordon knows what he's talking about. Apple's internal analysis of underwhelming iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Plus sales, which we talked about on this show previously, concluded that their decline is far beyond the range predicted, even allowing for ongoing component shortages caused by the pandemic. And as a result, Apple will aggressively price its successors. You know what? This makes perfect sense to me. Well, you got to create a bigger gap. You want to have the Pro, you want to have the non-Pro. They can't be so close price-wise. You got to drop that baby. Well, the biggest problem is the price. The insider reports this makes sense. The $899 iPhone 14 Plus costs just $100 less than the 14 Pro. Inferior display, chipset, camera, and older design. So then what do buyers do? They just go for the Pro. And you're going to need to be at least, what, 2 bills less? At least, I would say. Maybe 3 would be even better. I'm not saying they're going to do that. This insider seems to say Apple has explored several options to counter this, including reducing the difference in the price between the 15 standard and Pro models. Aggressive pricing on the standard. A good idea. You're going to have to do it. I don't know what features are going to remove, how they're going to differentiate, but you got to, it's too much for the standard model.
Yeah.